Hello and welcome to this channel, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. In this video we are discussing about Java server pages, JSP elements actions. So standard actions are tags that affect the runtime behavior of the JSP and the response sent back to the client. So action elements typically perform some action based on information that is required at the exact time the JSP page is requested by a browser. An action can, for instance, access parameters sent with the request to do a database lookup, and it can also dynamically generate HTML such as a table filled with information retrieved from an external system. So JSP standard actions. So standard actions, action element JSP use B description makes a Java Beans component available in a page. And JSP get property gets a property value from a Java Beans component and adds it to the response. JSP set property sets a Java Beans component property value. JSP includes the response from a servlet or JSP page during the request processing phase. JSP forwards the processing of a request to servlet or JSP page. JSP param adds a parameter value to a request handed off to another servlet or JSP page using JSP include or JSP forward. JSP plugin generates HTML that contains the appropriate browser dependent elements, object or embed needed to execute an applet with the Java plugin software. Actions provide a higher level of functionality than the declarations, expressions and scriptlets. So unlike the scripting elements, actions are independent of any scripting language in many respects. JSP actions are like a built-in custom tags. In fact, only XML syntax is defined for actions and there is no equivalent syntax. There are three categories of standard actions: those for using Java Beans components, those that control runtime forwarding including, and those that prepare HTML for the Java plugin. So what are Java Beans? So Java classes that can be easily reused and composed together into an application. Any Java class that follows certain design conventions can be a Java Beans component. Properties of the class, public methods to get and set properties, and within a JSP page you can create and initialize beans and get and set the values of their properties. Java Beans contain business logic or database access logic. Java Beans components are Java classes that can be easily reused and composed together into applications. Any Java class that follows certain design conventions can be a Java Beans component. And Java Beans component design conventions govern the properties of the class and govern the public methods that give access to the properties. Java server pages technology directly supports using Java Beans components with JSP language elements, and you can easily create and initialize beans and get and set the values of their properties, and Java Beans can contain the business logic or database access logic. So this was a brief discussion on Java server pages, and we will be discussing more on Java in the upcoming videos. And if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.